Good morning, students. Today I will teach you chapter 3, Life on Earth. In this chapter we are going to learn about formation of the earth, beginning of life on the earth, and the animal world on the earth. These three topics we are going to learn in this chapter. So our first topic is formation of the earth. So, we will learn how Earth was formed. Students, there are some questions we all wonder about. For example, how did the earth on which we live come to be? When did that happen? Was it always the way we see it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? So students, to find this question, we will see that on the basis of scientific research, it is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust was formed in space. Due to its circular motion and great speed, it was divided into several portions. In this way, Sun and its solar system was formed. So, how was the solar system was formed? An enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust was formed in space, and due to its circular motion and great speed, it was divided into several portions. In this way, Sun and its solar system was formed. The solar system consisted of 8 planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You can see the image of Earth over here. Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. So, students, in next topic, we will learn beginning of earth on the beginning of life on the earth. In this, we will learn how life has begun on the earth. So it is saying that after formation of the earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down. Okay. And then water bodies were formed on it. It is believed that various kind of unicellular organism or living things first appear in water, and they are known as protozoa. Since we cannot see protozoa with open eyes, that is why we need a microscope to see very tiny protozoa. So here, what is the meaning of unicellular organism? Unicellular organism means they are made of single cell. Okay, they are made of a single cell. For example, protozoa, amoeba, bacteria, etc. They are the example of unicellular organism. And after that, multicellular organism gradually evolved from the unicellular ones. So multicellular organism are made of many cells. Okay, multicellular organisms are made of many cells. That is why they are called multicellular organism. Some examples of multicellular organisms I have given over here, such as insect, human body, plants bodies are the examples of multicellular organisms. I hope this part is clear now. Now we are moving on to the animal world on the earth. In this, we will learn about the main characteristic of animals. Characteristic means features. So we will learn about the main characteristic of animals. Here only three characteristic of animals are given, and they are: animals can breathe, animals can move around to get food and for other purpose, animals can reproduce their young ones. So these are the main characteristic of animals. Now I hope that this part is clear. Next we will solve the exercise, and our first question is: answer each question in one sentence. Answer each question in one sentence. So our first question is: what instrument do we need to see a unicellular organism? So the answer is microscope. We need microscope to see a unicellular organism. The second one is: where did the protozoa appear first? So the answer would be protozoa first appeared in water. Next we have: answer the following question in brief. Answer the following in brief. So the first question is: how were the sun and the planets in our solar system created? So the answer would be: around 4.5 million years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust was spinning at a great speed in space, and its circular motion and great speed caused its division into several portions, and this splitting created the sun and the planets in our solar system. Okay, now next question: write any two characteristic of animals. Here I have given you these two characteristics. The first one is: animals move to find food or for the other purpose, and the second: animals can reproduce their young ones. Now our next question is: arrange the events given below in chronological order. Here you can see the events are given and we have to arrange these events in chronological order. Here chronological means arranged in the order of time, means you have to arrange these events in the order of time it happened. So the first it will be an enormous cloud of hot gases and dust formed in space. After that the sun and the planets were formed. After that water bodies appeared on the earth's surface, and then protozoa appeared in water. I hope you have understood this chapter and you find it interesting. Thank you very much for watching my video.